And he has the latest on the situation here in Sacramento and across California. From the Capitol, Doug, what are they telling you tonight?
Well, I think the biggest takeaway they're giving us, Eric and Nikki, is they're saying that the public really should not panic here, but they are saying that those who are at risk, like the elderly, well, they need to start social distancing, and they need to avoid large gatherings.
So we're getting hand sanitizer in large quantities.
Dr. Peter Bielenson, the Director of Health Services for Sacramento County, says the county is no longer trying to contain the novel coronavirus. Instead, his department will be mitigating it, which means they will no longer be quarantining people who were exposed.
That is no longer recommended because we are actually now have community spread of the virus, and there are lots and lots of people that have it that would actually have no symptoms or only mild symptoms.
We just wanted to update you on the latest numbers in the state of California.
Speaking at the state capitol, Governor Gavin Newsom said there was a 15% increase in coronavirus cases overnight.
The current number of positive Californians totals 157. That number is 24 more than it was just yesterday.
The state now has had its second virus-related death, this one in Santa Clara County. Their health officials are banning gatherings of more than 1,000 people. Meaning fans will not be able to attend home San Jose Shark games. As a result, the governor called on professional sports teams to send more guidance to their fans on staying safe at events.
But I found it quite curious that the four major organizations, NHL, soccer, Major League Baseball, and the NBA, put out guidelines to protect their athletes, but not their fans. And I found that curious.
But Dr. Bielenson says the situation is not to the point where Kings games should ban fans, at least not yet.
We're not there, and I think it would have to be vastly more number of cases.
But both the governor and local health officials say those who are at an increased risk, like seniors, should now practice social distancing and avoid large gatherings.
And I think at these large music venues, you're already seeing that happening. Large parades, you're seeing that happening. And I think it's inevitable you're going to start seeing that with large sporting events as well.
Now, the governor says they are working to get more labs to start testing for the coronavirus. He says right now across the state there's about 18 that are up and running. Soon it's going to be 19. And he says there are actually 3 commercial testing labs that are going into effect in the next few days, including one here in Sacramento County. Reporting live at the state capitol tonight, Doug Johnson, Fox 40 News.
Doug, thank you. Placer and Yolo County Health